Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your AirTalk wireless phone. First, make sure your phone meets the requirements. It needs to be paid off, not reported lost or stolen, and it must have been active on AirTalk Wireless for at least 30 days. Once you're good to go, head over to the AirTalk Wireless website or open their app and submit a network unlock request. After sending the request, just wait for their approval. AirTalk will notify you once your phone is eligible and unlocked. If your phone is locked because you entered the wrong SIM pin too many times, you'll need a PUK code. To get it, simply contact AirTalk Wireless Customer Support and they'll give you the PUK code to unlock your SIM. And that's it. That's how to unlock your AirTalk wireless phone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.